Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. Midland ER300, perfect radio for disaster. Have that coming right up. Last year, back in September, we had to ride out Hurricane Irma. Having lived most of my adult life up north, preparing for a hurricane was something that was totally different. Among other things, you stock up on batteries and water. But another thing that's very important is communication and hearing what to do, where you need to go. If there's anything that you need to listen to, you need to have an excellent radio. So what I did was I went out and I purchased the Midland ER300. It is a fantastic combination of features that I'm going to show you the video from Midland Radio Corporation, and then I'm going to demonstrate a few of those on my own. So let's roll it.
The ER200 and ER300 digital crank weather alert radios are a must for emergency preparedness, keeping you informed of incoming severe weather or civil emergencies. The lightweight yet rugged radios are built to perform, with features such as a weather alert radio, sustainable power options, and an extremely bright flashlight that uses Cree LED technology. This flashlight has both high and low settings to help save battery life, and can also be activated as an SOS flashlight beacon in an emergency situation. In addition, both radios charge your mobile devices, such as smartphones and tablets, via USB connection. It is critical to have the latest information when in an emergency situation, and this device helps you keep your equipment charged and ready for use.
Okay, got to see some of the features from Midland in their video. Now I'm going to demonstrate a few of the features myself. Okay, going to demonstrate several of the features of the Midland ER300 here to you.
Even if gas prices,
and that was AM. There's FM. And here's the weather alert. Now to go ahead and turn the radio off, you press and hold the band button. And you see the WX means that weather alert is on. And that's the way to change the clock right here, if you wanted to do that. Obviously, here's volume that's up and down, and to tune the radio here and here. Now on top of the radio, right here is the solar panel, and here is the button for the flashlight. Now I'm not going to shine the flashlight directly there, but you can see there's the first setting, there's the second setting, and then there's an SOS setting with this as well, which is nice. Now if you press and hold this button, you can also activate an ultrasonic dog whistle. Now right here is the antenna for the radio. Let's go ahead and pull it out. And it is fully adjustable. Go ahead and get that back in. Now on the back of the radio is the hand crank right here, and I'm going to go ahead and pull that out. You can see it takes very little effort to be able to use this. It's a wonderful feature to be able to have on this radio. Now one of the more important features on here, there is and you can see that I have attached the USB cord that comes with this. There is let's see if I'm going to try to get this up to the camera here so you can see. You can see the USB port. This is an excellent way of being able to charge your cell phones, smartphones, tablets on the go if you don't have any power to this. And this is an excellent radio. This is the Midland ER300. As I said, this was a great radio. I am very thankful that I have that. It sits up on my windowsill where it gets sun every day, so it always stays charged. The hand crank is also there as well too. And you also have the option of being able to put AA batteries in as well. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.